Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video, I will tell you about different states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's start the video. First, you should know that what is matter. Matter is defined as anything that exists and has mass and occupies space. It is composed of very small and tiny particles called atoms or molecules. Now, what is weight? The property of matter, that is its attraction towards the center of a gravitational field, is termed as weight. It is related to mass and the words are often used interchangeable. Now, you should also know that what is mass. Mass is related to the weight, but unlike weight, mass is not dependent on gravity. It is a measure of the amount of matter. Anything leaving mass and occupying volume is matter. Now we will discuss about different states of matter. Matter exists in three physical states known as gas, liquid and solid. However, within certain limits of temperature and pressure, a substance may exist in more than one state at the same time. For example, water may exist simultaneously in all the three states, like solid means ice, liquid means water, and gas means steam or vapor. All are in the stable form and have same chemical composition. Despite the same chemical composition, it shows different behavior in three different states. Due to the reason that particles, atom, molecules and ions of different state different in their arrangement, which are actually responsible for the different behavior of water. Now we will discuss about properties of gases, liquids and solids. First, we will discuss about the properties of gases. A gas has no shape of its own. It completely fills the container in which it is placed, taking the shape of the entire container. It has no definite volume. It can easily be compressed by increasing the pressure and can expand by decreasing the pressure. A gas diffuses like the gas molecules moves from one place to another in random motion within the container, and collisions also take place during this motion. This is known as diffusion, like air freshener or any perfume diffuses in air. Air itself is an example of diffusion of different gases. Compressibility is a property by which gas can easily be compressed by increasing the pressure while in expansion. Gas expands by decreasing the pressure, like pumping of air into tire tube is the example of compressibility of gases. But when a tire gets punched, the overall gases rush out. This escaping tendency is called expandability. Molecules in gases. All the gases consist of tiny particles called the molecules. Now, free path. The collisions between the gas molecules are elastic and the distance traveled by a molecule before collision is called free path. Now we will discuss about the properties of liquids. A liquid has no fixed shape of its own and measures the shape of the container in which it is held. It has fixed volume irrespective of the shape or size of the container. Like 10 ml of liquid occupies 10 ml volume in small or big container or test tube. Unlike gases, although a liquid is not absolutely incompressible, but it is compressed to a negligible amount even by moderately high pressure, e.g. if 2 atmospheric pressure is exerted out water at 25 degrees centigrade, the decrease in its volume is only 0.0045%. Now diffusion. The rate of diffusion is slow in liquids as compared to gases. They mix with each other to form a homogeneous mixture, e.g. a drop of ink in water spreads in all directions till homogeneous mixture of ink is contained. Now expansion. Liquids expand on heating. This property is common in making thermometers. Now evaporation. You all have observed the way that liquids evaporate like water evaporates from the beaker. This water which disappears from the beaker is actually converted into gaseous state. Now we will discuss about the properties of solids. Solids have definite shape. Unlike gas and liquids, solids has definite shape of its own. Solid maintains its fixed volume. They cannot be compressed easily by pressure as their molecules are in close contact with each other. The diffusion in solids is negligible, like rock layers come in contact with each other for millions of years. Evaporation and melting solid at a certain temperature melts into liquid, and this temperature is called melting point, but some solids directly converted into gaseous state without melting. This process is called sublimation or evaporation. In solid ions, molecules or atoms are arranged in highly organized geometrical way, and thus the structure is called crystals, or we can say solid forms of crystals. I hope you will like my video. Kindly share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.